This is going to be a video tutorial on how to reset the settings to their original defaults in the Mozilla Firefox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Firefox here. I have the Firefox web browser opened up now. To reset your settings back to their original defaults, you want to go up to the upper right-hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Help and click on Help. Then you want to go up to where it says More Troubleshooting Information. Click on More Troubleshooting Information. The page that opens up, the pane off to the right-hand side, very top thing, Give Firefox a Tune-Up. You want to go down, click on Refresh Firefox. A little dialog box will open up. It says Refresh Firefox to its original default settings. Start fresh to fix performance issues. This will remove your extensions and customizations. You won't lose essential information like bookmarks and passwords. You would click on Refresh Firefox. That is how to restore Firefox back to its original defaults. Thanks for watching.